ISTE 4A deals with the needs assessment survey, which was given to 6 educators within the Montgomery Public School System in regards to technology integration and what needs to be increased and utilized so that students can achieve academically and improve their learning skills and become more engaged. There were 7 questions that they had to answer, which included professional development learning needs of adult learners. How is it determined in the school? The top 5 professional learning needs of educators in the department grade level. The role that technology plays in supporting professional learning. With this one, a lot of them said lack of technology is an issue because of lack of training. The top 5 technology focused professional learning issues, and what type of needs assessments are conducted to obtain teachers' perspectives toward their professional learning needs. And of course, the majority was professional development, but it's not enough for professional development dealing with technology. Was technology viewed as a resource or issue within our school? And it was both. But this year, we are pleased to say that we are one-on-one, so that every student will have access to technology. And also, given the recent COVID school shutdown, what are the top 3 related skills teachers need to have? And most of them said more Google Classroom training, because Google is the platform for which Montgomery Public School Systems use.